Thinking about grabbing a stylish jacket or t-shirt from VareoLondon.com because their prices seem almost too good to be true and they're offering free UK delivery today only. You're not alone. With deals like these, it's easy to get tempted. But before you reach for your wallet, I decided to take a deeper look at this site, and what I found raises some serious questions. First off, VareoLondon.com is a brand new website, registered only 2 weeks ago. That in itself isn't always a red flag, but when paired with the fact that the site has no About Us section, no privacy policy, no return policy, and no terms of service, it starts to look sketchy. The design of the site is very minimal, with what appears to be little real effort put into building trust or transparency. On top of that, the product images are clearly pulled from stock photo libraries or other websites, which means the store likely doesn't own or even manufacture these items. The address listed on their website is shared with multiple other shady e-commerce sites, which could suggest a possible network of dropshipping or scam operations. There's absolutely zero presence on platforms like Instagram or Facebook, no followers, no posts, nothing to show that this is a real business engaging with real customers. And when I searched for reviews or feedback, nothing came up, no Trustpilot reviews, no Reddit mentions, no customer experiences anywhere online. Finally, trust-checking tools like Even Insights flag the website as suspicious, which reinforces the warning signs. So is Vareo London a scam? While I won't jump to conclusions and call it a scam outright, I will say this: there are far too many red flags to ignore. If you value your money and your online security, you might want to think twice before making a purchase. In a world full of fast deals and flash sales, sometimes the best decision is to pause and ask, is this too good to be true?